y'all, I'm Grandma E and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make the Mediterranean style chicken piccata. I'm going to start with 2 chicken breasts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fillet them and try to get them kind of thin. I'm also going to take and put them under some parchment paper, and I'm going to take a mallet and I'm going to beat them out and make them a little bit thinner than this too. There we go. Now this is what I'm going to do. This is when I'm going to take a mallet. I'm not going to show this because of how loud it's going to be. Now I did beat that down, and you want it about this thin. Now you're going to take a half a cup of flour and put it on a pie plate, shallow dish. What I'm using today is gluten-free. Now, you want to take, if it's your choice, okay, I'm putting salt and pepper. I'm going to sprinkle that on my chicken before I dredge it. So, a little bit of salt and pepper. Going to dredge it. I'm going to place it back over here, out of the way. Now that I got that done, we're going to get the skillet going. Now I'm going to start this with 6 tablespoons of butter. Now if you're doing 100%, I guess, of Mediterranean, might want to make it healthier, don't add the butter, add the extra EVO, which I'm using 2 tablespoons of EVO. So if you didn't want the butter, you would do a total of 8 tablespoons of EVO. And we want to get this good and melted. And then we're going to add our chicken, which we're going to just brown on both sides. Now, if you're cooking multiple, make sure you only cook like a couple of these at a time. But this is the full meal that I'm cooking. And I will try to get you the calories and carbs. Okay, I've cooked this for about 3 minutes on that one side, and I'm going to flip it and probably cook it for about the same amount of time. And then when we're done, we're going to put it on a plate and we'll add some goodies to it. Okay, 3 minutes on that side, and we're going to pull this out. Oh, it's falling apart. Alright, now to this, I am going to add the juice of 1 lemon. That's 1 lemon. Then we want to use a half a cup of chicken stock, 1.5 tablespoons of capers. Now rinse these. You can chop them or just mash them. And then 2 garlic cloves minced. I'm going to incorporate that real quick. Then I'm going to add my chicken back. And I'm going to let that come to a little boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to turn the heat down, put a lid on, and we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. It's done. It smells delicious. Now we're going to get this plated up. There it is, plated. Now we'll add a few lemon slices. And a little bit of parsley. There it is. What do you think? What do you say we cut into that? Really don't even need a knife. It's just falling apart. Put it in the sauce and look at that. Doesn't it look good? Tastes good too. Now, took me a total of 35 minutes from the time I started prepping this till I finished cooking it. This was easy. It's delicious. And it's healthy. Omit the butter. It's more healthy. So, press like. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, from my kitchen to yours, love and light.